Hi, my name is Paul Knudsen. I'm the managing attorney for the Family Law Division here at Denmon Pearlman. I'm here today to discuss fathers' rights in Florida. First question you should ask is, are you married? This should be relatively obvious whether or not you are, and if you aren't, then things become more complicated. If you're a married father, you have all the same rights as mom does. You have the right to see your child, you have the right to speak to your child, you have the right to make major life decisions for your child. If you are not married, you need to ask yourself, am I on the birth certificate? If you're on the birth certificate, there's a presumption that you are dad. But this may sound surprising in that you are not legally dad until you get an order of paternity, even if you are on the birth certificate. So what are your rights being on the birth certificate? Your rights are very, very limited. And they're limited so much so that realistically your only right is to pay child support until you go get that paternity order. So you have to go through a paternity action with the circuit court in whatever county you're in and ask the court to establish your rights as father. So at that point, once you get the court to do that, you can participate in major life decisions for your children. You can have time sharing with your children. You can speak to your children. But until you do that, or until there's an agreement between you and mom, which is then ratified by the court, even if you're on the birth certificate, you don't have any paternal rights. Now, if you're not on the birth certificate and you're not sure whether or not you're dad, you have the right to still file a paternity action and ask for a DNA test to be done. The court will then order a DNA test and you can find out whether or not scientifically you are dad. If you are dad, you have to continue on with that paternity action. And at that time, you can ask the court to establish those rights for you as dad. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you have additional questions regarding paternity or family law in general, our website has a ton of resources for you. We also have a Facebook page which you can reach out to, and you can give us a call on our direct line anytime you want. Thank you very much.